Good day everyone. In this video I would like to show us how we can download videos from a social media platform like x.com, formerly known as Twitter. First of all, you log in into your X account, either on your mobile or on your desktop, any of them you choose. And after that, you can pick out a video. For in this case here, I'm searching out for a video, so I decided to look out for a video. So I searched the word Mbappe for my own case. Then after that, I was able to see the video as I loved to use. There in that situation, then I picked out the video, and I would have to copy the video. So I copied the link out. Now that I've copied the link, I will have to go to a website called I search the word Twitter downloader. So there's a website that will come up, which is sstwitter.com. In this website, you can download any video on Twitter. So that is the simplest way to go about it. Then I embedded the link. After I embedded the link, it brought the format for me to use. Then from there, I picked my choice. It likes to show ads, so after that, you see, it is downloading. So the Twitter has been downloaded. That's very simple. Thank you and God bless you. Stay tuned for more.